here's a 5th gen front bumper on a 3rd gen Ram. And of course we got the Longhorn grill on there also, which is aftermarket from eBay. And those letters were separately, we had to custom glue those in there. Bumper itself, I think it looks okay. I didn't like it at first, but it's kind of growing on me. I think once it's painted to match the truck or the two-tone color, I think it'll look better. But I think overall it looks pretty good. We still got to put the fog lights in it. Other than that, yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So I was able to put this bumper on. This came off of a 2021 Ram 2500. So I was able to put this on without any special brackets or anything like that. I was able to cut up the original brackets that was on this bumper and put this on with the hood open. The gaps aren't perfect. I mean, you can get them pretty good here on the corner under the headlight. You will have a little gap right here. There's nothing you can do about that. This is about far in it will go and as high as it'll go as far as the gap. So this is the gap you're going to have right here by the headlight. And it's not that bad. Once the hood's closed, the grill does cover up most of that. But the sides look pretty good. So again, I did not use any aftermarket brackets or anything like that to put this on. What I ended up doing was just cutting the original brackets that were on this bumper with the 2021, or I think it came off of it 2500. So I ended up basically chopping the inside of the brackets on both sides because it was interfering with the intercooler. That's really the only thing that it interferes with. So I ended up cutting the inside of them. I ended up moving the brackets about an inch down so the bumper will actually sit up, and I ended up cutting the back of the brackets off so the bumper would recess in a little bit further. But overall it came out pretty good. Doesn't touch anything, doesn't hit anything. So clearances are pretty good. And so yeah, absolutely, it's doable without buying any aftermarket brackets or anything like that. Fits pretty good. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.